Hello, students. Welcome and good morning to all of you. Today, we shall start class 5th AVS chapter Up You Go. Dear students, in this chapter, we are going to study about many adventurous sites and we will come to know about mountains, mountaineers, and many interesting things in this chapter we will know. So let's start here. And in this slide you can see picture of mount, and you will come to know that what a very difficult path to climb on a mountain peak. So, mountaineers have to face many difficulties when they start to climb on the mountain's peak. Because just you think that when you walk on a plain surface on a road, then you get tired after some time. But if when you start to climb on a rocky path or a slopy path, then you will get tired very soon, because you have to you release your energy very fast and you get tired very soon. So in this chapter we will learn about mountaineers, mountains, mountain climbs, what are the essential materials we use, uh, essential requirements when we start climbing. So all these things we will come to know in this chapter. So let's begin. Okay, 2nd February 1984. As you know, here you can see a picture of a lady's picture, and this incident took place in Nehru Institute of Mountaineering, Uttarkasi. Okay, so let's read. We were at the mountaineering camp and were very excited. 20 of us were teachers from Kendriya Vidyalayas. There were other women from banks and other institutions. So here a lady is sharing her experience about her mountaineering camp, and this incident took place in 2nd February 1984, and she was telling that 20 of us means in her team 20 of us were teachers from Kendriya Vidyalaya and rest women from banks and other institutions. So today was the second day of the camp. In the morning, as I got out of bed and put my foot down, I screamed in pain. I remembered yesterday's 26-kilometer walk with the heavy rucksack on my back. I was afraid to go back to that steep climb and the rough narrow path. So this lady is telling that this was the second day of the camp, and in this morning when she got out of bed and put her foot down, she screamed in pain because yesterday she walked 26-kilometer with a heavy rucksack. Rucksack means a bag, okay, in which all essential things were kept. So she walked 26 kilometers with a heavy rucksack on my back, and she was afraid to go back to that steep climb and rough narrow path. Dear students, climbing on a mountain, okay, mountain climbing is not a very easy process. So first of all, we should know about mountaineers. Mountaineers. So, who is mountaineers? Here, you can say in easy words that a person who climbs mountain for sport is known as mountaineers. Okay, a person who climbs mountain for sport is called mountaineers. And you know about shape of mountains like this. So all are rocky paths and it is very difficult, and if you lose your balance a little bit, then it may become very danger for your life. So all time you have to keep yourself very alert. So before starting the chapter, and I would like to share some interesting facts about mountains. Do you know about mountains? Yes, my dear students, here are some slides where you can see mountains in our country map. Let us see. Let us see here. Okay, students, here you can see a map. In this map, you can find easily our country map. Yes, here. This is our uh, from here to there. So this is India, and in this map you will find here a Himalaya. Okay, the Himalaya is a long mountain series. Here this is Mount Everest, that is located in Nepal, and Mount Everest is world's highest peak, and its height is 8,848 meter from sea level. Okay, so it is world's highest peak, Mount Everest, and it is located in Nepal. If we talk about second highest mountain peak, then this is first one and second one is K2. Okay, K2 Godwin Austen, and it is located in POK, Pak occupied Kashmir, and its height is 8,611 meter. Okay, so this one is second highest mountain peak, and third one is Kanchenjunga. Okay, and third one is Kanchenjunga, and its height is 8,586 meter, and it is located in Sikkim. Okay, it is located in Sikkim. So here we elaborated about three world's highest peak, and if we talk about one by one, then first one is Mount Everest, that is located in Nepal, and its height is 8,848 meter. Second one is K2 Godwin Austen, it is located in POK, and its height is 8,611 meter. And third one is Kanchenjunga, it is located in Sikkim. You know about Sikkim. Sikkim is a state of India, and its capital is Gangtok, and it is a very beautiful state. Here you can see very greenery, So and it is located in Sikkim, Kanchenjunga. So let's talk about new facts. Here you can see how the Himalaya mountain expands from Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and then Nepal, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, and here you can see National Park Corbett Tiger Reserve, that is located in here Uttarakhand. Okay, Jim Corbett National Park is located in Uttarakhand. तो आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं किस प्रकार से हिमालय पर्वत श्रृंखला किस तरह से फैली हुई है। आप ऊपर देख सकते हैं टॉप में जम्मू कश्मीर से होते हुए हिमाचल प्रदेश प्रवेश करती है, फिर उत्तराखंड, फिर नेपाल, फिर सिक्किम, फिर अरुणाचल प्रदेश। इस तरह से एक लंबी वृहद हिमालय श्रृंखला फैली हुई है। और यहीं पर एक नेपाल है जहाँ पर सबसे ऊंची चोटी, यहाँ पर वर्ल्ड की सबसे ऊंची शिखर माउंट एवरेस्ट है 1 नंबर पे। दूसरे नंबर पे यहाँ पर है पीओके में K2 गॉडविन ऑस्टिन। और 3rd नंबर पे जो सबसे ऊंची चोटी है वो यहाँ सिक्किम में है, जिसका नाम मैंने अभी आपको बताया, कंचनजंगा। ठीक है, यहाँ माउंट एवरेस्ट 1 नंबर, 2 नंबर K2 गॉडविन ऑस्टिन और 3 नंबर कंचनजंगा। So in next video we will learn about what are the essential requirements, essential things when we want to start our mountain climbing trip. Okay, and what are the difficulties we face during this trek. So in next class we will learn about those things. Okay students, thank you, have a nice day.